Cool, amazing. I think we are live now. Hold on. Yes, we are in fact live. Cool. Now I'm going to send out the Twitter post and, do that type of stuff. Yes. Yeah, so, in essence, the goal of, hold on, let me, yeah. So the goal of this stream is to, in essence, just make it, like, faster, right? So that's the end goal. So, yeah. I think step one is understand what latency actually is, right? So, yeah. So, okay. Well, step one, to make my testing, uh, testing better, I am changing the recording script so that the threshold for speech is lower, and also only 1.5 seconds. Yeah, I'm just gonna say do that for longer. Cool. And now let me time how long this step actually takes, right? This is an audio test where I'm testing how long this takes to record me. Hold on, I need to set up timing. We're not doing anything fancy here. We're just gonna, import time. And we're just gonna set up some perf testing here. Because I don't think this is the slow part of all of this, right? Yeah. Start time. Print time minus start time, right? So time taken. I'll just do that. And I'll just set this up as time taken. And then we're just gonna make the last one. Right, cause yeah. And then from there I'm just gonna accept and do that, and then I'm gonna we're just printing it out. This is just so later I can implement some like logging or whatever. This is a time testing. How long does this take? Yeah, it only goes after what? Almost exactly 1.5 seconds. Okay, okay, sure. 2 seconds. Okay, wait. Hold on. Hold on. Does it even get what I'm trying to do right now? Oh, invalid. Yeah. Okay. So if it's not going to Gemini, it's a lot faster. Yeah, but you get like 1.5, 2 seconds of latency based entirely on this step. Um, yeah, I don't think we're actually gonna be able to get this much faster. Hold on. Let's add some timing here. And then yep. If time taken, and we're just gonna like recursively add this to times taken, right? So I'm gonna start this off. Doesn't particularly matter. Cool. Recorder.get text that contains the text. I should also get a start time. Start time equals time. Then, well, cool, we're fine. Time taken append time.time minus start time, right? So we're just taking the time difference. Then what we're going to be doing here is we got that. Then now image recognition, image that gets summary is the time taking one. Next, the actual get the model to start talking. That's that. Then we have the AI says stuff and it does stuff. Wait, hold on. AI speech response. AI action response. Subtitle. Oh yeah, it does the action. And then it does the TTS. Yeah. TTS part is actually kind of unavoidable though, so I'm gonna leave that as is. And let's just run this a few times. I think, yeah. Obviously, we have a massive load time in the middle, like at the start. But like this is very much we wait and we see how it goes type of situation. Yeah, like because we have omnipus and whatnot. Oh, I forgot to print. Time taken. Time taken. Print. Time taken. Cool. And then later we can just like look at the data. Right, so we can see all of it and see how much it changes over time, right? Right, it's loading. It's doing that. Amazing. Cool. Now, tell me a little bit about yourself and more about what you do and all of that. I didn't disable it doing Google search because it's actually a little bit annoying. Yep, generating LLM response. Yep, it's doing that. Yeah, I think actually the... Hold on, is the recognition the slow part? Wait.
I'm debugging some audio issues. It's preventing my AI from playing games.
There we go. 1, 3, 5, 25. Yep. So the problem is with the take action script, right? Yeah, last one, 25. Yeah, the problem is with the take action. Cool. Insane delay, 20 seconds. The fact that I was able to handle 5 seconds is actually nice. Okay, cool. Time. Print. Yeah, so it's just gonna Google for trees, but then again we have to see how much time that takes. And then the individual steps within it. I think it might be omnipulsar being slow. What? Oh, I'm doing main up. Cool. Now, it has to load everything and do all of that, and that's actually kind of annoying, but, Yeah, it did the Google. 7 seconds for that entire step. Does this match up with what we saw over here? That's like 20 seconds. Oh, wait, that's speaking. That's a... Hold on. When was the last one we had? The last time is... No, that's... Do action. Do action is slow. 20 seconds, though. Ugh. So, okay, let's optimize action off pi. Let's optimize action off pi. Let's see what's taking time here, right? Yeah. So time. Print. I'm gonna format this. This is the get UI stage, and this is time. minus st. Then we have the Gemini step. Get response. And I think from everything else here, it's like fast enough that like does not matter. So right, so this is going to take like right, we have a loading phase. We obviously have a loading phase. Yeah. Milliseconds for each process. UI is like 5 seconds. Google's like 8 seconds. UI is like 5 seconds. The Gemini is like 3 seconds. UI is like 6 seconds. Did a mouse click, whatever. Yeah, okay, so get UI is okay, so getting UI information is actually the slow and expensive part. So if I'm able to do this concurrently with everything else, that's probably good, at least for main, right? So if I'm able to just have all of this running concurrently, I think that's good. Because like in getting information steps, like if I just scroll up, like how long did they take, right? Yeah, that took like a similar amount of time. And so if I'm able to do at least that step, like quicker, I think it's probably better, right? So after I do a screenshot, I can like asynchronously get it to like deal with the image, and then yeah. Yeah, and I think fundamentally the goal is that I have to do this asynchronously, right? So do I really want to use async in Python? I don't think so. I don't think I really want to use async in Python. So I think yeah. Does that match up with like the 8 seconds we saw earlier? 6 to 25. That's like 20 whole seconds. What is the extra 8 seconds coming from? That's fine. Okay, so again, so the thing here is action.py. Yeah, so I just have a straight up do action thing. I'm gonna make a new function. Def get UI info, and this is gonna be an action. Yeah, this is gonna be an action. Because what do we care about? We just care about the general UI info, right? So yeah. Right. So whenever we want to do action and get the UI info first, and we have to call that at some time sooner. Now, hold on, let me understand Python's async model. Is it hot or cold? Hold on. Asynchronous IO. Cool. Write concurrent code using async await. If I do async and then import async IO. Dot run. You can experiment with it. Async IO sleep result is slow. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Import asyncio. Async def get UI info. Then from here, I just have to do asyncio dot run get UI info. It wants just the function object, right? Asyncio dot run. Oh, it just wants the actual function. Okay. Cool. Well, okay. This step, I'm just gonna await get UI info, right? I'm just gonna await that in this step, but here I'm just going to go here and I'm gonna 0.1, just like get it all like there. I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna do async here.run. And then sleep. Oh, hold on. We take a screenshot first, and then we run it, and then we do that. So I do want it to be like, and when you do run the async function, it like locks the data, and this one will like wait until that one is unlocked, right? So I'm gonna store it as like a lock file. Open UI info lock file. I'm gonna say UI info dot lock, and we know it's a file. Go the custom dot lock thing, and we're gonna write, and we're just gonna write to it, and I'm just gonna write locked. And then when we're done, I'm gonna unlock it. Then here, I'm going to while I don't need this. Open UI info dot lock and read and while it's locked, I don't know. We just want to do. We're just gonna wait. Wait 1 second. Cool. And so that's gonna synchronously lock it until that's done. Though with this here, I can asynchronously make this an async function as well. Nah. This locks it, and then it unlocks it, and this just checks if it's locked. Cool. Await outside function. I can't do await outside function. Can I just call that as a synchronous function? No, looks like I can just call it as a synchronous function. Cool. That took a second to load. Okay. I'm just gonna lock it until the. I'm gonna by default have it be locked. All right, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Right, I thought I'd actually save the data from here. Yeah. We have 3 of these. I mean, I just need to save it as data, right? So pickle. Yep. So I'm. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing that. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Pickle.dump and then the object, and pickle.load and then the file. Is it a file pointer? I assume so. Okay. Pickle.dump. That's gonna be a list with image, and that's gonna be tuple with image, label chords, and parts content list, and the file. Open UI info dot pickle w, and then yep, over here paste pickle dot load, and it's just going to be UI info dot pickle dot that, and we're going to read it. We're going to read the data, right? And it's going to be image label coordinates and parse content list. Is this the right way to be doing this type of asynchronous data transfer? No, probably not. I should probably not be going to disk, but like I don't care. So, you know. Well, CUDA, yup. Oh, I had to import pickles. Yup. Cool. Because finally what this allows me to do is just set up in main, just set up all of like the data type stuff earlier. Oh, no such file uinfo.pickle. No, it's a locked file. Right, okay, let's actually see what it thinks is in the content of the file. No such file uinfo.pickle. It says it's locked. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. New line. Cool. There we go. There we go. Cool. And now we wait until it does stuff. Hopefully. Then from there. Huh? Hold on. Where is the pickle? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Well, I mean, because it's locked, I can just do the async TO, right? Async TO run. There we go. Obviously, we have a massive load phase. Come on. Yup. Using up a very nice 2.5 gigs of VRAM. You know how it is. You know how it is. There we go. Right argument must be string, not bytes. Oh. We're writing bytes. We are reading bytes. There we go. Now we wait a little bit longer. And hopefully it will go and it will do stuff and we'll find out how long this takes. Yeah, get UI got took like 5.8 seconds. Unlock and then we do something. Nice. Okay, hold on. So the second one's actually like pretty fast. Hold on. Second one's actually pretty fast. Are we putting the time within here? Yes, that's internal time. I don't care about this anymore because I've split up the times. Right? Actually do anything with this SD. Cool. Yeah, so fundamentally, I actually care about this time step, right? Like, how long does it take to do that? So I'm gonna, we have to obviously do a loading phase, but like, I think fundamentally it's faster now, and that's the important thing. Where basically we have it asynchronously set up the lock file, and then it synchronously does the action, right? Though I do use it in line 20. Yeah. Treating it as a global. That makes sense. I'm deleting that. Get UI info. Get response. I don't care. Because this is all happening asynchronously. My mind cannot handle that, you know? But yeah. Yep, using my GPU to its fullest capacity for that little bit of time. Also, that 100 milliseconds for the image is actually a little bit of a scam. Okay, search for trees. Cool. Now we wait the second for it to do stuff. Unlocked. Ah, nice. No, it didn't get the... There's no Wikipedia in the screenshot. Therefore, no action. Yeah, okay, sure. Whatever. 7 seconds. What? Should have been faster. I think it is faster. It's just we're not getting that much time to show itself being faster. Because it went from 8 to 7, but like we only potentially get saved at like 0.9 seconds, right? So, yeah. Amazing. Cool. So, action. When we take the screenshot, image get summary, I import async here. Cool. Then I need to split up the code a little bit more. But whatever. Once we take the screenshot, asyncio dot run action dot get UI info. We should probably do the screenshot earlier. Yeah. Yeah, because we should probably do it before we get the text. Cool. The time, yeah. We're doing that before we get speech to text. Because that gives us the most time for the getting of the UI info to happen before we do stuff. Now let's see if it's actually faster. We have the massive load phase. You know how it is. You know how it goes. Hello. Yeah, hello. Can you tell me your name, a little bit about yourself? What do you want to do? Cool. It's recognizing the image. Getting the UI info. Yep. That's happening synchronously in the background. It's getting the SDT at the same time. So did two things simultaneously there. No action needed.
Hello, and welcome to the stream. Let's get this AI streamer up to speed so it can eventually play games.
Cool. Bang. That's an easy 10 seconds shaved off. Easy 10 seconds shaved. Though, of course, going to the Google and doing stuff probably added like another like second or two. But like, save like 30% runtime. Cool. What's the slow bit now? The first time it takes up 7 seconds. Oh, right. Image.get summary. I need to do the rewrite of that. Because right now, it is using Claude, and I need to switch that over to Gemini. Yeah. So, nvim image.py, get summary. It's going to Claude. This is so sad. The reason for that is so that we can give it like a history of the images it's seen. But yeah. Cool. And we have get. Right, because this one is the function that actually like gets the UI info. Right, because I have that all handled within image itself. Because it takes screenshot and all that. Yeah, makes sense. Wait, is do action taking a screenshot? Hold on, hold on. No, we're taking a screenshot here. Oh, right, because... Okay, the reason I'm not taking a screenshot beforehand is... Stupid! I'm doing the screenshot because I need this to be full testing, because it's just assuming there's a screenshot already existing, which is bad. Alright, cool. I'm doing that now. Cool, now I need to... Yeah, I need to... get somebody to use Gemini. Main has it. Oh, okay, hold on. Cool. Let's go to AI Studio. Gemini Flash 8B. Yep, okay. History equals, and then a list. And this is just the image. Yeah. Hold on, they have one of the... Okay, it's good. I'm just gonna take a screenshot. Let me understand the format of this get code. Cool. History, role, colon, user, and then points. Okay. And it's a list of disks. Okay. Amazing. Role, colon, user, parts. Obviously, Claude is slow, and Gemini is fast, which is why we're using it. Yeah, so we can set that up. Whatever. This is just encoding and decoding. Yeah, I'm just gonna comment it out, because what if I want to go back to Claude, you know? I'll leave the option there. So, amazing. There's the Gemini history. I'll move it down. Cool, and then we have the generation config. Cool. And 8,000 tokens is a lot for this. I'm saying that maximum to be like 500. Response type text plain. Top P, top K I do not care about. Temperature we're setting to 0. For reproducibility. Yeah. Right, cool, amazing. Now we have that. Yep. Chat session equals model dot start chat, and we're starting chat with history equals history. The model has a generation config. The model has a generation config. Response equals chat session dot send message, and the content of this message I'm just going to be pasting that in here. but not the ads, only describe the left screen. Cool. Now, response dot text is what we want. Cool. Now that should work a lot better and faster. Cool. Now let's test it out, shall we? Ah, we had a load time. We had a load time. I can't just like go and test it. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Yeah. Cool. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and more about what you do and all of that? Yeah, it's doing the image stuff first at this point. This should drop it down from 7 seconds, but we won't know that until the end.
So, lots of errors, huh?
Yeah.
Let's fix this audio mess.
Google.
I'm thinking we dive into ALSA config. Any objections, chat or guest?
8 seconds. Okay, we didn't save that much time. We didn't save that much time. Right, so the image stuff is the thing that's taking the most time. So I'm gonna set up a image perf testing, right? Because fundamentally, the blocker for image is entirely on this, right? So get UI info. This image is the one that input. Yeah, image is the one that inputs all that. Yeah, cool. Time print time minus ft. Cool. And now this is still gonna take as long, but I don't have to like talk in the middle, right? And so because it has to load up the model into GPU, I need to figure out how to tell it to like not do that every time and like be persistent. But that requires probably like setting up a server and all of that. 5 seconds. Okay. Cool. Is part of that taking a screenshot? Also, I'm commenting out to sleep because we're doing quick testing here, and I don't want to wait extra bit of time. Yeah, screenshot's basically free. Like, quarter second, I can handle that. Well, it's like 5 seconds for that step, and then the... Yeah, that step, that's whatever, that's operating asynchronously. Okay, well, in this case, I want image data to also be asynchronously done, right? So, because this is clearly a pretty slow process. But then we have to do image summary lock files and whatnot, right? I guess that's fine, that's whatever. Right? So. Yeah. Oh boy. Image summary dot lock, write. I'm writing into it locked, and I'm gonna paste down here unlocked, open. Do I just pickle up the whole thing, like straight up, just like put it in a pickle? Yeah, I think I'll put it in a pickle. So import pickle. Cool. And then I'm just gonna dump. I'm dumping a string into a pickle. Okay, you know what? That's a little bit excessive, but it's funny enough that I'm gonna do it. Pickle dot dump. Object is response dot text. And for the file, I'm gonna call it image summary dot pickle. And we're writing binary. Cool. We're not returning anything from here. we're also doing the pickle dump before we unlock it because yes, cool. Async, yeah, summary, cool. I do want take screenshot to be blocking though. That feels like something that should be blocking. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Then image summary dot lock. Cool, and then in here, I'm gonna do asyncio dot run image dot get summary. Image summary, I'm going to bring down here because this is where it gets actually used. Image summary equals, and we're going to open what is it saved as? It's saved as image summary dot pickle. Image summary dot pickle. I have to do pickle dot load. Cool. I also have to import pickle here. And this is done asynchronously in theory, and so this should be done a lot faster. So this one should be like a cheated very quick, and then the next one should take a while. Oh, I also want to check the lock file. While open image summary dot lock dot read dot split, sorry, dot strip is not equal to no. I want it to be, well, it's equal to locked sleep 0.1, and we're just going to effectively pull it every 0.1 seconds as we do, because yep. Cool. Let me test this all in image.py first, right? Asyncio dot run get summary, and then oh, this is not going to run that well. I just need to make sure the lock file exists, you know? Screenshot basically free. Does it say Q.run not do it? Oh, I guess. What? This should be asynchronous for that one. Nah, whatever. Cool. And then image. Locked. Yep, it's unlocked. Cool. Now we test how long it takes for the full cycle, right? So theoretically, it should take 4 or 5 seconds fewer. No, it'll take less time, like 2 or 3 seconds sooner. But yeah, details. Talk. I guess setting it up is also pretty expensive in Python, but yeah. No such file. Image summary.lock. Oh, capital L lock. What did I use the other one? Lowercase L. Okay. I'm changing this to a lowercase L. Because I want it to be consistent. Dot Cool. But yeah, it's gonna take a little bit again, and then you know we do the little talk, talk, talk. You know. But yeah, so talk, 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 audio, audio, audio. Getting UI info. I instinctively this feels like it's going a lot faster.
Okay, so we have some spicy audio issues. Let's fix this.
Yeah, it's still taking 8, 9, 11, 15. Why is it still taking 8 seconds for the first little bit? Hold on. Hold on, let me... Right, so there's a starting bit of time. I mean, especially if it's talking like a lot, then maybe there's something to do. But like, I think here I want to get to like under a 10-second cycle, right? Because a 10-second cycle is kind of where you want it to, at least where I want it to be, you know? Okay, it's not printing anything, but like that's whatever.
10-second cycle, huh? Ambitious. Let's debug these ALSA errors first. Looks like our audio setup is a bit wonky.
4 seconds, 4 seconds, 2 seconds. Hold on, async yo. What is? How can I just tell it spawn up a new thread and have it go in the background? Huh? Right, okay, cool. Say after a delay. Yeah. I don't want to do asynchronous. Wait. Asynchronous creates tasks. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Oh, and then I can just wait it later. Ah. Whatever. Cool. So instead of asynchronous create run, I do asynchronous dot create task. Yes. Because I already have lock file checking, which is probably not ideal, but you know, we can rewrite this later. Alright, let's see if this is better now. Let's see if this is... Hello there! Hello! Yeah, this is just a very chill stream where I'm just trying to get perf improvements. I already got it down from like 25 to 15 seconds, and I think I'm gonna get it... The goal is 10 seconds. The goal is like a 2.5x improvement. But yeah. No running event loop. Unfortunate, okay. Async, async. Okay, that's unfortunate. Yeah, I'm just dealing with Python asyncio issues right now. As you do. As you tend to do. But yeah. Asyncio dot... Oh, do I have to... Oh, okay, hold on. T1 is that, and then T2 is that. Okay, cool. Now we actually see how long this takes. No running event loop. What does that mean? Does it have to be in an asynchronous? Oh, futures. Yes. Okay, hold on. Is the preferred way of writing asyncio? Yeah, okay, so you have to call run. Right, so that's the preferred way of doing things. Does this actually work asynchronously? Oh wait, asynchronous sleep, okay. Waiting, okay. Async test day after. Why are we... It takes 3 seconds because 1 plus 2 is 3, yeah. Hold on, what if I just run the function? Because... And then like not... Oh wait, like just get it to like start up the task. Will this work or will this not work? Let's find out. Is Python's async hot or is Python's async cold? Let's try this out. Yeah, so audio. Please respond to this message.
Okay,
Oh
so
my
we've got a
god, that felt
cacophony of
fast.
audio errors here. Let's fix this mess.
Okay, that was fast. 7 seconds. There we go.
Alright chat, let's conquer these also gremlins. First, we'll check the sound card config.
That's fast. That's the speed we want. Let's go. Hold on, I need to make a tweet about this. There we go. There we go. Woohoo! Amazing, amazing. This is already going great. Now, let's do even more optimizations. So, most of these are now useless. Recorded a get text, right? Right, because that goes into the subtitles. Starting on the audio recorder probably takes time, so we can probably set up recorder get test as async, right? Get that as async, and then okay, wait, hold on. What if instead of waiting for it to unlock, we just await. Whatever. That's fine. I can keep the lock file. Lock files are fine. Is there anything else from after the speaking that probably deserves to go beforehand? Because doing the action requires the big brain, and then also saying the word is saying whatever big brain is saying, right? So the both of those kind of have to go afterwards. Yeah, understanding the UI can happen beforehand. Understanding all of that can happen beforehand, right? Yeah, hold on. Let me... Yeah, because that's fast. Like, that's really fast. Like, 7 seconds, like, that is a... Like, 7 seconds is a good cycle time. I like the 7-second cycle time, you know?
7-second cycle time, huh? Interesting. Looks like we have some audio issues. Let's fix those first.
I mean, we don't have to fix the audio issues right now. We just have to, like, fix some of it. But, like... There we go, bro.
Okay, so the 7-second cycle time is cool, but let's tackle these ALSA errors first, shall we? They're making more noise than the stream.
Bang, another 7.5 second cycle time. Okay, okay. So we get like roughly 3 seconds.
7.5 seconds? Ambitious. Let's see if we can shave off that
Yes!
half second.
We want to
Those
shave off that
ALSA
half
errors are
seconds.
still bugging me though.
Okay, okay. Cool. Now, so the first one was like 1.5 seconds. So that's just setting everything up. Because we know that taking the screenshot takes like a quarter of a second, right? Just as is. Yeah. So, wait, the fact this just takes 1.5 seconds just to set up. I think that's just Python being on the slower side. So, potentially, it might be a good idea to asynchronously do the recorded text getting before setting up all of this, right? So that while we're setting all of this up, we can be running through the recorded text getting, right? Because this is just sets up like a forced block of time of like 3 seconds, right? So we can just do it asynchronously. Okay, hold on. Where is the get text? Get text. But then I have to make another lock file. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I like lock files. Okay, hold on. Is this still the delaying factor? Oh, hold on. Hold on. Is that still the is that the delaying factor we're looking for here? Hold on. We need to check that. I need to check that. But yeah. I just need to find the delaying factor and then go from there. Cool. Yeah, obviously it's going fast.
Lots of ALSA errors. Looks like sound card issues.
I need to check which one of these is the delaying factors. Cool. I need to print the image summary lock file at this point. And I'm going to print it over here. Because if the image summary is still calculating, then we, straight up is, there's no point in asynchronizing the human messages. Because, we're still waiting on that, you know? But, yeah. Starting the recording. Yup. Okay. Audio. Oh, it's unlocked by that point.
Wow, lots of errors. Looks like our audio setup.
Huh. How long does it actually take? Hold on. Yeah, okay, cool. Dang, I need to put the log files in a folder, so I can just have a log files folder and then a pickle folder, and then so it's not in my main directory, because my directory here is actually kind of I forgot the await. It's not a function, unfortunate. Okay, async.run is just legit. So this is a 4-second function. That's just effectively a Gemini call in the end. The getting speech and text is also just a Gemini call in the end, but it's a Gemini Pro call, which is slower. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see if for action, I can change this from Flash to Gemini to 8B, which is faster. Well, let's see how bad this drops it. What is Gemini dash 1.5 dash Flash dash 8B? Yep. And let me see if I can also change, if I change the main to Flash 8B. Right. Now, of course, I know Flash 2 is smarter and also better, but, like, I don't need the peak of intelligence here, right? So, since I don't need the peak of intelligence, it's like I can do whatever I want. I can just kind of do whatever I want, and it should be fine, you know? So, yup, it's going. It's generating the response. Okay, yeah.
Alright, sounds like you're having some serious audio troubles, friend. Let's dive into these ALSA and Jack errors.
Yeah, okay,
we need
cool.
to figure out what's causing these playback problems.
The errors are fake, but, like, it's still taking about the same amount of time. Yeah. It's like 2 seconds for setup, and then, yeah.
Alright, friend.
Yeah, I'm killing that now. Okay, so... yeah, so I need to change get text to be asynchronous. And then in here, I need to make the lock file. Cool. I need to make up the lock file and do all of that nonsense. Pickle. Cool. Yeah, I just set it all up going asynchronously. Where do we have here? Async def get text. And we're just going to set up the lock file. We have audio speech to text lock. Right. Locked. And at the very end, yeah, we're writing unlocked, and then we're gonna open audio speech to text dot pickle. We're not opening this. We're doing pickle dot. No, we are opening this. Dot write bytes, and then we're going to do pickle dot dump. Again, I'm doing the thing where I am dumping a text file as a pickle, and I'm going to be dumping lots of text. Cool. Return, and then in here, I'm just going to set this as there was an error processing audio. Cool. And then that's locked, and then we unlock at the end. And I can be pretty confident that's going to work. So now I'm going to, yeah, and then we're going to go back into the main. Goes up I assume audio stt.lock. Lowercase a audio. And then here, when we're doing this lock file, audio stt.lock, then no, I have to do this earlier. Yes, because I had to make subtitles. Yes. I think just before I make the subtitles, I'll do that. Those subtitles could happen after the Gemini. No, I prefer stupid subtitles to be done faster. Yeah, I want that to be done as soon as possible. Though that could also just be an async function I do, where after I get the audio from there, I just put it in there. Yeah, thing for later, but it doesn't particularly matter because this is effectively free when compared to the API calls, right? So, yeah. Then recorder.getText. I'm dumping that in here. Then we are looking for human messages. Human messages equals open. Audio STT, not open, it's pickle.read. Pickle dot load, and we're loading audio STT dot pickle. Read bytes. Alright, let's see if this breaks immediately. Let's find out if this breaks immediately. Because you see, I do not. No? There's no syntax errors at least. Amazing, amazing. Now let's see if this gets the audio. No such file directory, audio xdt.lock. Cool. What is the name of the lock file? Okay. Hold on. Let me Okay, this is a test of the recording system. Quarantine was never evaded. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I don't actually care about that. Yeah, I mean, fundamentally, .get text is just Alright, let's see if this breaks. Because I think fundamentally it's just a file that exists and there's issues with that. So, yeah, let's see if this breaks. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, test, audio test. Okay, this is taking a second. It's taking a hot second. This is taking a while. Get text. Audio stt.lock W. Right, unlock. Okay. Though I guess this is the only expensive part beforehand. So let me just revert all of this async changes here. No longer async? No longer async. Cool. Cool, no longer async. Let me delete the audio. Let me delete that. Cool. And then here, I'm just going to say, I'm going to write the human messages. Alright, let's see if this still works. And it should be slightly faster because taking the screenshot takes like a quarter second. And so we should have shaved off like roughly a quarter second. So it should be like roughly 7 instead of 7.5 seconds, but let's find out. Cool, amazing, test, amazing. Yeah, that is 100% that is the delay.
Alright, folks, looks like we've got some serious audio issues here. Let's dive into these ALSA and Jack problems. First, can anyone in chat or the guest give me a quick rundown on what the errors actually mean?
I don't know what the errors actually mean, but they also don't matter, so it doesn't matter.
Alright, so it seems the guest is telling us the delay is the issue, but they're not really sure why, which is totally understandable. Let's try a different approach. First, what specific errors are you seeing exactly, guest? Then chat, do any of you have any ideas on getting the audio to work? If not, then let's go step by step through the debugging. Now, what do you all think?
Okay, yeah, so we're still in the 7.5 second range. So we haven't actually saved any time. Maybe saved a quarter second. I think at most we've saved a quarter second.
Okay, so the delay is still a problem,
Yeah, I
even
think
though
at
the
most
guest
we've
doesn't
saved
seem
like
to know
a
what the
quarter
errors
second.
mean. Let's be detectives. Chad, any insights into why the audio isn't working as it should be? Guest, what specific errors are you getting right now? We'll get to the bottom of this, folks. If there are no further specific instructions, let's move on to a basic ALSA check.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, time is in fact going up. It's trying to Google for that. I stopped it from Googling. Cool,
Alright,
amazing.
detective work. First, what specific error messages are you seeing, guest? Then,
Yeah, okay, that's actually nice. That's actually really nice, because now we're down to 7.5 seconds. The goal of 5 seconds is actually kind of tempting right now. But to do that, we'd have to use Grok, and the problem with... the problem with that is Gemini's just the best at... I guess we're using Flash. Hold on. The problem is the rate limits. The problem is entirely the rate limits. What are the rate limits? Let me log in. What are the Grok rate limits? For Llama 3.2 Vision. 15 requests per minute. That is way too slow. Unfortunate. Yeah. All of these are just too slow. Like, too few things. Because the thing is with Grok, it's like, you can get these answers way quicker. It's just, yeah. You're running into issues there, because, again, I'm paying for this, so 4,000 rate limit. Yeah. Do they have the billing? Coming soon? It's been coming soon forever. And I'm not a business, but, let's find out. Yeah. So, that's unfortunate. I am using Flash, basically all the places that can use Flash, I'm using, all the stuff I can use. Yeah. It's now entirely... Yeah, because... it's faster now. Let me run a little bit of a test, because since it's faster now, I can probably get it to do stuff. Obviously, as it loads and does all of the loading. Hello, can you tell me your name and a little bit more about yourself?
alright, my AI-powered brain is whirring. Looks like we've got some serious audio problems here. Let's see if we can troubleshoot these Linux audio issues.
Ignore the audio issues. Our focus on right now is for you to click on a link on the screen. So click on the Reddit link. I want to know the Reddit link. I think it has the solution. Did it break? Stop recording. What is the issue? Click on the red link. Click the red link. Mouse click the red link's ID. Oh! Yeah, okay. Okay. I'm gonna dump this all in a try accept and do nothing about it because I don't care for reliability at this moment in time. Accept. E as exception. Or I guess it's an exception as E. E print E. Can you click? Oh wait, hold on. I should probably wait a little bit longer for it to start up. Cool. There you go. Can you click on the first link for me? Or the second link? Just click on a link.
Okay, folks, looks like we've got a sonic issue here. Let's see if we can get this audio sorted out.
No, I just want you to click on one of the links. Yeah, I think the Reddit link has the answers. Just click on the Reddit link, please.
Alright, let's tackle this audio apocalypse. Guest, what you think?
Click the Reddit link. I want you to click on the Reddit link.
Alright, let's dive into this audio abyss.
Oh my god. The action model says when it does open the Reddit link, it's Google. Okay. I think this model, because we finally solved a whole bunch of speed issues, this model gets to be Flash too. Because I just straight up need that intelligence. Like, straight up. Okay, right, we just have to wait. We are waiting. Yeah, I don't think taking... Can you click on one of these Reddit links for me, please?
Alright, let's dive into these audio woes. First, let's see what the chat thinks.
Oh my god, it's listening for chat input. This is so sad. Just click on a Reddit link. I just want you to click on one of these Reddit links.
Alright, listen up, you impatient Reddit link clicker. I hear you loud and clear. Before we click any links, though, what's the deal with the audio issues? Let's figure this out before we get lost in a rabbit hole of Reddit.
So I had brought you to Google page. I just need you to click on the Reddit link. I know you're trying to diagnose my problem, but I think the Reddit link in the Jack versus Ulsa issue has the answer. Click on that link.
Alright, so you want me to click a Reddit link, huh? Fine, but first, spill the beans. What's the asterisk actual audio problem you're having? Let's get this solved. Don't worry, I'm not just a Reddit clicking bot.
Okay, it's stuck on the very much like, hey, I don't want to click on any of the links. Like, let me solve the problem. I don't care about solving the problem, though. So, you know. Clear that. Yeah. Let me RM the... Cool. I just have a bunch of random files here. Alright, let's see how this goes. The bot is... I need to stop giving the bot the ability to Google, because it just can't... Okay, can you tell me a little bit more about yourself and what you want to look at today?
Alright, so it looks like we've got some serious audio issues. Let's see what our amazing viewer has to say, then we'll dive deeper into the technical.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, let me look at the image summary. It doesn't have anything new there. It's like permanently unlocked. Image.get summary should be doing something, right? Yeah, but it's been doing this all asynchronously, right? Recorder.getText isn't asynchronous. Yeah, recorder.getText isn't asynchronous. I need to put this here. So we've at least started the asynchronous stuff before it. That's actually kind of an issue. That's pretty much that's a pretty big issue. But you know that's fine. Tell me, yeah, tell me a little bit more about yourself, what you want to do, etc., etc.
Alright,
Oh,
so it looks like we've got some serious audio problems. Let's see if we can pinpoint this. First,
ah, well, let's see if this works at least, right? Like just doing that asynchronously in there, right? We have to wait for all of that stuff to load. Thank you, Omniposter. I love Omniposter. Omniposter is great, but like this is kind of annoying.
alright folks, let's see what our amazing viewers and our special
What? Oh my god. I just want to see that it updates it at least in that context, right? But yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's not left screen. That's the right screen, but that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So what in this is making it good? Take screenshot. It's doing async.run, which is asynchronous action. Hold on, let me just run get summary. Then at the end here, do a time. Then let me lock. Cool. I just want this running in the background, you know? Like, yeah. At the end, what is the lock file status? That is what I care about. I guess this is a slow section. There we go. None type up. Oh. ah. Print. Cool. Now let's try that. I should probably have a print and get summary to see like lock file locked or whatever. Unlocked, okay. Oh, is the problem I'm not taking a screenshot before the stuff in main? Okay, it's not printing even in the async. Huh? Yeah, it's not updated. Ah, we had a beautiful thing going. Yeah, we had a beautiful thing going. I can't use the wait outside of a function. Um, that's actually unfortunate. Okay. Okay, that should be 2 seconds. Okay, this is exactly what we want. Async queue. Task 1 is that. Await task 1. I can't use await outside of a function. I'm just going to create a main function. I'm going to rename that function to test after this. Async def main. Asyncio dot run main. Cool. Now, if we're waiting at the end, we're not going to need the lock file, but, you know. Cool, that's done. Unlocked, file locked. Oh. Well, I guess, you know. Okay. No, this is fine. This is fine, actually. Oh boy. That's all I care about. The rest of it's just in the while true loop. Yep, massive thing in the while true loop that I probably need to. If not a name is under main, then asyncio dot run main. Main is an async function. Yep. Okay. Cool. Task 1 equals asyncio dot create task. Yep. And then task 2 equals asyncio dot create task. Cool. And then instead of doing this whole lock file nonsense, we just do await task 1 here. And sure, we'll check the lock file at that point. And then down here before we do the action. Yep. Await T2. Why do I have a break? Oh. That should be returned. Because we replaced the while true loop with a main function. Amazing. Cool. Now this should be better, and it should work parallelizably and good. Yeah, it's doing stuff. Yeah, this is actually the real perf improvement.
Alright, let's see if we can pinpoint this audio problem. Looks like the Jack server might be the culprit. I'll investigate.
Yeah, it's actually 14 seconds. We only shaved like 10 seconds off. Yeah.
Alright, looks like the Jack server might be acting up. Let's see if we can get it running.
Yeah, okay. Not 7 seconds, it's 14 seconds. Though I can be confident it's actually running now. So, I'm gonna start it up and then, let's test it. That's actually kind of unfortunate. Yeah, can you tell me a little bit about yourself, more details, yada yada yada, go.
Alright, let's dive into what you're looking for. First, tell me more about your unfortunate situation.
Amazing. Just I am doing a bunch of different stuff on the side. It's mainly because I'm solving perf issues, and I'm down to 14 seconds, but I need to get down to 10. Can you do some research for me on how to fix some issues?
Alright, let's hear about these performance issues. Tell me more about the specifics. What are the details of the problem?
I mean,
Quote.
fundamentally, it's the fact that my code isn't natively multi-threaded. So can you like just do a quick Google search on like how to do multi-threaded code in Python for me?
Alright, let's see what the wonderful world of Google has to offer. Type multi-threading in Python into the search bar.
Cool. Can you click on the first link for me? Just click on the first link.
Alright, let's see what these results have in store for us. Looks like we've got some great options here. What stands out to you, guest?
Just like click on the first link for me, okay?
Alright, let's see what this first link has to say. Looks like we're diving deep into Python multi-threading. Guest, what are your thoughts on this first result?
Okay, hold on. I need to, because I don't think any of that is the issue. I think Flash 8B is just, it ain't it, Chief. It ain't it. It is, it's good, but like, it does kind of fall apart kind of quickly. So, yeah, because if that's not the perf issue, like, whatever. So clearly there is an easy 6 seconds to save by doing multi-threading, right? So, we just have to get it to do multi-threading. I just need to do multi-threading,
Sounds like we need to dive into some multi-threading magic. Let's Google Python multi-threading tutorials for beginners.
Okay, so that actually went pretty well. Yeah. UI info, yeah, okay. So we have like a 14-second cycle.
Those ALSA errors are a real mood killer. Let's tackle those audio issues first. Anyone have any ideas in chat?
I mean, you can click on the Stack Overflow link because we know Stack Overflow is pretty good. So just like click on that link.
Alright folks, 14-second cycles. That's not ideal. Let's see if we can optimize that ALSA situation. Anyone in chat got any bright ideas before we dive back into the code?
Just click on the first Stack Overflow link. That's all that matters. Just click on the Stack Overflow. I don't want to do prompt engineering. I don't want to be able to... Okay.
Okay, Stack Overflow it is.
There
Let's
we
see
go.
what wisdom the collective hive mind has to offer. Any objections from chat before we dive into this also rabbit hole?
Yeah, cool. That's exactly it. That works. I just need to be able to. Okay, hold on. Where's the prompt? Cool. You should try to be funny. You also have a tendency to click with your mouse on the screen instead of making new Google searches unless you have to. Cool. Now we should get it to be a very much more clicky model, you know? Right, we have the massive wait time at the start, but yeah. Cool. Now can you tell me a little bit more about yourself, what you do, and all of that?
I'm your AI streamer. Let's get this show on the road.
Oh my god, it clicked on this, but not in this browser. It clicked on the other browser I have on right now. Oh my god. Okay, unfortunate, but it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. Uh, yeah, cool.
Whoa, x8664 calling conventions, that's intense. Looks like we're diving deep into low-level programming today, folks.
Okay, what did it even want to do? It told it to click on the x8664 tutorial link. Then it says, click on the About Me link in the left sidebar. Okay, this is good. This is good. Fundamentally, this system works if I'm not tampering with it. I think I'll leave that for that today. Thank you all for watching the stream. If you're watching this on the YouTube VOD, please like and subscribe. Though I think nobody's actually going to get this far in the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.